Chiang, my baby. Get out and get about. Gotta see what's around. It's Thailand, baby. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. Can't get enough. It's Thailand, baby. I'm so ready to see. Wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need to check out more of the country. So give me more to see. So give me more to see. I need more. Chiang, my baby.
We're in Chiang Mai. We're in somewhere called Farang village. Farang is like for foreigner. There's food markets. There's all kinds of different stuff in here, so we're just gonna walk around. There's pizza and pasta there. There's a temple. It's all kind of manufactured. Anyways, let's kind of walk around and see this cod. There's even a little bit of a mall thing over there. Let's check it all out and show it to you what it looks like. Okay, we're in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and we're gonna just put this right up on the map. This is called Farang village. So there it is. And it's just like, it's a little bit more if you have a car and you want to drive somewhere. So it services a community of expats that live in that certain corner of Chiang Mai that are probably families. There's a lot of international schools I heard down in that area as well. So anyways, this is where they might drive and get all kinds of access to amenities that might be more familiar with Western taste. I guess that's the best way to say it. Anyways, Farang village. Farang means foreigner, in case you don't know in Thai. Okay, so this is in Farang village. Looks like you got a mix of different cuisines, Vietnamese there. My Vietnam food marks. I see that, like, I think that's like recognizes the good restaurants. Or it's a chain. Nico Bistro, American fried rice. Which looks like that if you're curious. Huh. American fried rice. Okay, let's just kind of walk around in here. They got pictures of hamburgers and different stuff. Here's Le Pole. So it looks like this little Vietnamese has its own place. This one's for rent. This is style. I hope you were here for me. There's yoga. I don't know what the E-pole is. Let's go walk by here. You style me, your fashion team studio. Love a good life meets slowly. And there's yoga. Can't see what else is in here. Here's the yoga. Drop in 250 baht. Ed Visa Yoga in Chiang Mai. Okay. Huh. So it's closed right now. Beautiful trees. Love these kind of trees. A lot of times they put like a ribbon around them and put some kind of shrines in them, but I don't see one in this particular one. Okay, let's go on out. And the entrance was here. So you can see cars park in this space. So you got a big parking lot right here. Here's a Korean one. Let's just look around the corner a little bit. McDonald's drive-through. I think a gas station is probably nearby as well. And that's the thing right there, Farang village. You got Pizza Hut, Kuman, which is like language schools, and a mix of Korean, Japanese, Swenson, Starbucks, Rimping. There's Swenson. Swenson's like a ice cream one. So a lot of the chains, there's KFC down that way. New York hair studio. Let's just kind of see what, oh, that's kind of cool. Little Marilyn Monroe up there with a getting a haircut. Wow, haircut is $1,800, 1,800 baht. That's about like 50 or 60 American dollars. Spence in the ice cream shop. McDonald's in the food center, Pizza Hut, Nico, steak. Okay, so let's kind of go on in a little bit more. So that's the sign right there, so you can see people drive in from with their cars. And we're gonna walk through it. Looks like this one is a Starbucks right there. So Starbucks has a Thai temple as a motif. It's kind of cool. So yeah, it's a Starbucks. Okay, crazy. Okay, let's keep on going around in here. Now we have the sign, Farang Village. I feel like I should do that might be my thumbnail right there. Farang Village. Okay. Oh, there's Aunt Annie's pretzels. Huh. It's kind of like an outdoor shopping mall, I guess. This is a wine collection. Let's kind of go back out this way. So yeah, there's a Starbucks right there. Aunt Annie's pretzels. That's pretty popular everywhere. In Dairy Queen right next to it. But you see Aunt Annie's in almost all the malls now, like Central Mall and Airport even. And okay, here's Watson's and Dunkin' Donuts. Ping Supermarket. Let's just see if we can come into this a little bit. Vitamin. So I think what we're gonna do, here's Watson's. Oh, let's go this way. I was gonna go upstairs and I think I still can, but Dunkin' Donuts. But this way we get to see all these little places too. Mara Waffle. Here's one, Anyang Korean restaurant. Okay, let's go up this way. Mr. Do-It-Yourself, DIU. Kumon is the language school. It's like a Japanese language school, so it's funny that they have Kumon branches here. And there's just some nearby kind of suburban looking manufactured houses straight ahead. Let's go up. Barber, $250, that's so much lower price than that New York one, which was like $1,700. $250 is like about $8 American dollars. Here's a language school. There's the view up here, you can see the mountains in the background. Gaba Art, Think Creative, so I guess this is for kids too. Okay, let's got some music. I have to talk over that a little bit because the music might affect my video. Looks like it says Chiang Mai A-list coming up. There's a health center there. That music is going to affect my video, so we're going to try to move down quickly. Hopefully it doesn't affect it too much. Let's get down as quick as we can. But we're going to be concluding anyway, so. Okay, so now you have a taste of this little village. And there it is overlooking it, so let's send it right there.